Alright guys, I'm going to send you guys stuff every day and just follow it if you want. If you have weights, I'll send you your program. But let's start off warming up. All fours belly lift with a arm reach. Let's go a couple breaths each side. 90-90 hip lift. Most of you probably done sometimes this, just grab a wall. You can go bench underneath this if you want. Inhale, everything comes up. Exhale, lift your tailbone up. Long exhales. If you normally do low reaches, forward reaches, over reaches, one arm reaches, mess around with whatever you want, whatever you normally do. 5 breaths. Let's go 90-90 hip switches. Keep your arms up. Try to go one leg, then the other. Let's go back and forth 5 times. Inchworm to Superman here. So inchworm, walk out, drop your knees to the ground then. One leg up. You can hold it here, stretch out. Take your knees off the ground, walk your hands back. 5 there. Knee hug, hold this for a second. Forward lunge, arms overhead. Come back, 5 per side. Wall slide with lift off. Right foot in front of the left. Keep your forearms in the wall as long as you can. Make a half of a U, come up. Lift off, hold it for a second, come back on the wall, find your forearms, come back the same way you did. 8 times. All right, split stance to a split stop here. Start like you're running. Switch sides. Let's go 5 each side. One arm bear crawl, ISO hold. It's a bear crawl position. One arm at a time here, just breathing. Let's go 5 breaths each side. Split stance to side stop. So start split stance, take 1 or 2 steps, and then 2 slides. You'll figure it out. You'll do it enough. Let's go like 3 or 4 each side there. Raw jump to 1 leg stick. So we're going to jump, land on 1 leg. Let's go 4 each side. We go 3 bounds to a stick. Most of you have probably bounded. 1, 2, 3, and then stick it. 1, 2, 3, stick it. One leg, medial, lateral hops. So pick a leg, jump, and back. See 4 with each leg, each direction. You can do that twice if you want. We're gonna do, probably have to go outside for this, a side shuffle, and you're only gonna cross over with your front leg. So shuffle, crossover, shuffle, crossover. Shuffle, crossover, shuffle, crossover. Let's go like 30 yards each way. Do that 2 times. Then let's do karaoke, 15 yards. 80% jog, 15 yards each way. Oh, can't breathe. God. Let's go extensive pogo hops. So let's do 10 seconds of pogo hops, walk back, 10-second break. We'll do that for 2 straight minutes. Want your legs to stay pretty stiff. And when you land, don't bend your knee too much. Walk back. So you're gonna, right, so let's go split squat, rear foot into wall. You don't need weight here if you don't want to, but you can get a weight or get a book bag, put textbooks in it. Elbows are gonna be down and forward a little bit. Drop down. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds each side, and we're gonna do that 3 times. So have fun with that. And then we're gonna pair that with getting the book bag, make it heavy. We don't do a lot of bend over rows, so here we go. Heavy book bag, nice little hinge. And we're gonna go 4 seconds on the way down. Do that 3 times, 3 by 10 on the rows, so 4 seconds on the way down, 3 by 30 seconds each side here on the split squat. V block. Let's get your book bag. One leg, book bag offset RDLs, so go down and up. You can also hold the book bag sideways, that might be better. You can go down a little lower. Let's go 8 each side there. Pair that with forearm push-ups. So hands are gonna be way in front of you. Elbows about below your shoulders. We're gonna push up. Back down. Let's go 10 reps there, 3 by 10, 3 by 8 each leg, RDLs. All right, last one, feet in the wall, shoulder taps. So like bare position into the wall, tap your shoulder, nice and slow, come back down. Aiden, don't be going like this, hiking up and forth, spread your feet a little bit, you'll be good. 10 each side there, pair that with kneeling hide into the ER stick. So I'm going this way, outside knee's gonna be up, I'm gonna do a hide in, stick it with the turn. Let's go 5 each side, 3 by 5 each side, so keep going back and forth. Should be good. The sprints are gonna get you, pogo hops are gonna get you. The warm-up's a little more intense than normal. Move around. See you tomorrow.